Hello, fellow crafters and fellow coupon lovers. It's the Florida Crafter, and just want to share with you this YouTube channel for Bree Reeves that I just saw. And as you see in her title, it says, "Hi, Mom. Vario just won't die." And what she says in the video is that at Walgreens, we know we have that $50 in-store coupon in their monthly coupon booklet for $50 off of the Vario. And then we have the $30 manufacturer coupon out of the Diabetes and You booklet. Well, what Bree is saying is that in the November in-store coupon booklet, that there's going to be another $50 coupon. Yoo-hoo! I haven't seen that for myself, but she always gives very, very accurate information. So I'm going to put the link to this video in the description box. Check it out. And as always, thanks for stopping by and have a blessed day. Bye.